Hey there, Peyton Smith here. I can see that you're checking out the Web Design Sales Mastery course, and I'm sure you have a ton of questions, like what's inside the course? Is the course a good fit for me, or is it going to be worth your hard-earned money? And so I want to cover a couple of those things in this video, and then certainly if you have additional questions, please feel free to message me on any of my social media channels. I'd be happy to answer your questions about the course. But first, this course is basically a brain dump of everything that I've learned over the past 4 years of my business and what it takes to find web design leads and then close them as clients. Now, when I started out, I was selling websites for just a few $100s, and now years later, my biggest website that I've sold is a $75,000 website. And that change didn't happen overnight. I slowly had to increase my prices, increase my sales skills, and most importantly, increase my confidence. And so this course has everything that I currently know about finding and generating web design leads and then closing them as clients. And so you're going to see down below that I'm breaking down everything that's inside the course. In the first module, we are going to prep you with everything that you need to know to confidently sell your web design services. So we're going to show you how to find your ideal client and niche, how to package and price your services, and then we're even going to share with you a couple templates for pricing, contracts, and then how to get paid, just to make sure that you are ready to roll from day one. In module 2, we're going to cover how to find your first clients. Now, this module is going to be extremely beneficial for you if you are in the early stages of your business as a freelancer, or it could also be beneficial for you if you have done a few projects but you're having a hard time really getting that momentum or getting the ball rolling. So in this module, I'm going to share with you the simplest ways to overcome imposter syndrome, build your confidence, and then start landing clients on a consistent basis. We're going to show you how to land what we call low-hanging fruit sales, which are the easiest sales to land and the best place to start. And then we're going to go from there and build out and show you how to look for opportunity sales, how to play the numbers game and be effective when you are selling your services. We're going to share a few examples of how other students found their first web design clients. And then I'm going to share with you my strategy to price and land your first web design project. Now, if you're a more experienced web designer or freelancer, the next module is going to be all about generating web design leads. And here you're going to be able to download our checklist of over 100 lead gen ideas for web design clients. We're going to break down all these into categories, and you're going to have unlimited access to this as we continually add to it to show you the best ways to spend your time and your efforts and your money in order to generate good leads. And so this is going to be the holy grail of this course. It's going to give you everything that you need to get your name out there, get some exposure, get people to come to your website, schedule strategy calls, and really get the ball rolling on your business. The next module is building a brand that sells. At this point, we're going to take a little step back and help you build up your website and your brand and your messaging and prep you and help you position yourself to stand out. Then we're going to go over our sales call scripts. Again, these are going to be the exact scripts that I use for cold calls and inbound calls. They're going to be really useful for you to memorize the things that I say and start to build out your own sales call scripts that you know are going to work and you can have full confidence in them going into your calls. In the next module, we're going to share a few live sales call recordings, and this is probably the thing I'm most excited about within this course, because I'm going to be constantly recording and uploading my personal sales calls and then dropping them inside the course. And so you can listen to those live and see exactly what I say, see the mistakes that I make, and also watch the clients that I close and how much I'm closing them for. It's going to give you a really good idea of how it's done, or even sometimes how it's not done. And then it's also going to build your confidence going into your own sales calls. The next module is advanced sales techniques, and this is where we're going to dive into the real nitty gritty and show you the techniques that help me go from selling $10,000 to $15,000 websites to $75,000 websites. And so we're going to talk about all of your paraverbal and nonverbal communication skills, some different power phrases and how to overcome objections to really give you kind of that artillery that you need to respond quickly when somebody has a concern or an objection, and also share with you the list of the most common objections. And then we're also going to talk about closing and what it takes to get a prospect to the point where they're ready to be closed and say yes, because that's the ultimate goal. And then finally, we'll teach you how to follow up the right way to make sure that those calls that do go well don't fall through the cracks after the fact. And then finally, and you'll be able to learn more about this, but our bonus module is about what happens after the sell, how to manage your clients, how to manage multiple clients at the same time, and deliver great work. Because the last thing I want is for you to land a ton of clients from this course and the things that you learn in this course, and then do a crappy job with those clients. And so make sure that you watch this last module to really set things off on the right foot. All right, so that's everything that's inside the course. And so now we have to talk about the question, is this course right for you? Are you the type of person that could benefit from this course? And I hope the answer is, because you're on this website, it's probably a yes. However, I want to cover a few things that you should ask yourself to determine whether or not this is the right fit for you. So if you are a freelance web designer who wants to land more clients, this is absolutely for you. If you are in a position where you're not making as much money as you would like to, maybe web design is just your side gig because you're not making enough to supplement your income, and so you're still currently doing your 9 to 5, this course is absolutely for you. If you are a 6-figure agency owner that wants to learn how to improve your sales skills or even train your salespeople, this course is going to be for you. So regardless of where you are on that spectrum, I hope that this course brings a ton of value to you. It's going to motivate you. It's going to give you all the tools that you need to become an effective salesperson and sell your web design services at a much higher rate than you currently are. And the final question is this going to be worth your money? And I know that a few $100s can be a lot to pay for a course or a guru, and I hope that this is not that for you. I hope that this is an investment in all of the resources that I use that have worked, and so you can implement those and find success. And so if you're asking me, the creator of the course, yes, it's worth your money, but only you can decide that. And so for that reason, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. I know that's kind of a norm when it comes to courses, but I want to make sure that if you get this course and it doesn't work for you, you don't have to pay for it. However, if you dive into this course and you feel that you are ready and willing to implement the things that you learn, I know that it's going to change your business so much within that 30 days that you won't feel good about asking for your money back. And that's what I'm banking on. And so it's risk-free. Try it out. If you don't love it, you email me or my team and we'll refund you immediately. But I can promise you that this course is going to be a game changer in helping you land more clients more consistently at higher rates. And I'm really excited to hear the success that you have from the things you learn inside the course.